Hey, good afternoon. Jim Davis from Fluke Networks, a product application specialist at Fluke Networks, copper and fiber cables. Common question that people ask us here at InfoComm is my cable good? It's always the cable fault when our widget doesn't work, so I want to introduce our LinkIQ Duo. The LinkIQ Duo is a tester that will tell us if the cable's in good condition. I'm just going to push auto test here, and it's going to tell us this cable's open about 4 feet away. That's very helpful. It's open on this end and not that end. Now if I put this terminator on the far end, I'm going to go back home and I'm going to push test here. Now this is a very good cable tester. I'm measuring signal and noise, and based on the signal to noise relationship, I can see that this cable will run 10 gigabits. It's a short cable. There's a strong signal there. I can hit save, I can type in an address for this cable and even download a report showing that this cable's in good condition. Well, we're still trying to get our widget working, so the next thing that we can do is plug into a switch. I happen to have any switch here. This is a managed switch, so we'll plug in there. And now, let's go back and watch the screen here. We're going to push auto test, and I haven't changed anything in the configuration. And you'll notice the screen is different. It says, hey, I see an active device on the far end. It's telling us we're connected. It's telling us we're set to auto negotiate. It's offering 10, 100, 1000. That's why we're not getting to 10 gig. Now, because it's a managed switch, I can see the name of the switch, which port we're attached to, the configuration, which VLAN we have, to make sure the port is properly configured. It will give us some other additional information. Can we send a ping to a device? Can we reach something in the outside world? But again, a basic tool to help out to see, is this cable in good condition? We can tone it out to see where it does, and we can get some basic information from the network from the switch. Again, this is the LinkIQ. I'm Jim Davis with Fluke Networks. Go to flukenetworks.com to find more information about the LinkIQ. Thanks for joining us here at InfoComm.